Hi everyone. So whatever videos I make on YouTube about any investments are very general and you cannot use them as your investment advice because everyone's needs are different, right? And if you want a personalized financial planning, you can book a slot with me for 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and the calendar link is given in the description. And in these 2 hours, we'll talk detail about your particular needs. Okay. So what I'm going to do in this 2 hours is I will make you confident enough that you can actually do your own financial planning, right? So what we are going to cover in the 2 hour session is one is investment basics, choosing the right investments, protection planning, financial safety net, tax and wealth building, credit and loan management, and personalized investment plan. So first we cover about investment basics. What are mutual funds? What are types of mutual funds? What are the parameters that you should use to? What are the parameters that are important to choose a mutual fund? And whether should you invest lump sum or should you go with SIPs? All these we are going to discuss. So it will be a very in-depth knowledge about mutual funds and choosing the right investment plan. So based on your financial goals, there it can be short term, medium term, or long term plan. For example, if you want to buy a bike in 1 year, that is a short term plan. If you want to buy a house in 5 years, that is a medium term plan. And if you are planning for your kids education after 20 years, that is a long term plan, right? So based on your needs and requirements, we'll give you suggestions. Okay. And asset allocation, so actually you are supposed to have, depending on your age and requirement, you are supposed to have some equity, some bonds, and some gold and silver, if possible some real estate. Okay, so all these things should be part of your portfolio and we'll discuss about it clearly. And protection planning, so basically what is insurance, why is it important, and what are the different kinds of insurances available, what are traditional insurances, what are ULIPs, and what is health insurance, and how are different health insurances providing you benefits, and how much coverage should you take, and key factors while choosing a policy. So after this session you will be able to choose good insurance policies. And financial safety net, see, life is very uncertain and jobs are also very uncertain these days, especially because of AI, right? So it is important that everyone should have at least some emergency fund in case if you lose a job, and in order to find a new job it will take some time, and during that time, or there can be some other emergencies like health emergencies or anything. So in that case, you should have some emergency fund. So we will tell you what is the importance of emergency fund, how much emergency fund should you keep, and where to keep the emergency money, and financial stability before aggressive investing, right? And then tax and wealth planning. So tax planning is very important for everyone because out of all legally available options, you should use all of them to save money. 1 rupee saved is 1 rupee earned. I'm not saying that you should not pay tax. You should definitely pay tax. That will help the country. But you should pay the tax exactly the amount that you are supposed to pay, right? So we will cover how to save the tax as an employee, how you can save the tax, or as a business owner, how you can save the tax. And we will talk about building the health in the long term. And then credit and loan management. So most people doesn't know what is CIBIL score and how to build and maintain a strong CIBIL score, and what are the smart credit cards, how to use them, and choosing the right loan, choosing the right credit card, and good debt versus bad debt. And we will build a personalized investment plan for you. So it will be goal based investment strategy, long term wealth roadmap, SIP, SIP planning and strategy, risk based asset allocation. Along with this, we will also do retirement planning for you, right? So if you want to book a session with me, there is Calendly link in the description and also my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp or you can directly book a slot in the Calendly, and if the slots are not available, you can just WhatsApp us. We'll create more slots. Okay. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.